Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 2A, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Bootloader. So to get started, hold the power button and volume up, and then select power off from the options. And when the device turns off, again hold the power button and volume up at the same time. Oh, I think I held it for a little bit too long. Let's try it again. There we go. So once you see the Nothing logo, let go of the power button. And this will then boot us into Bootloader. Here we have a couple different options. We have a recovery mode, Fastboot mode, normal boot, and power off. You navigate through these options using only volume up, as you can see. And volume down will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, I'm going to select the third option, which is normal boot, and confirm it. And as you can see, this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.